Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing tonight will be the concept on how to produce a cooling process by not using compressor, and the other way how to produce coolness is actually by using a thermoelectric component. So I have here a thermoelectric refrigerator, a small one, and I open the case. And the way this little fridge produce coldness or cold inside to cool something, like if we put a soda can inside, is by using a peltier. The components of the peltier is this one here. This is the bottom portion. A certain voltage is applied to this. And the top portion is actually another component of the peltier. Also, a certain voltage is applied. So if we put this one here on top of this one, and there will be voltages entering this one, the bottom portion, and so the top one. By the concept of peltier, it will try to produce a cooling process. And that's the way how a thermoelectric fridge, will produce coldness inside the fridge. So instead of using a compressor, the normal way is actually by using a compressor that is for refrigerators. But for a small fridge, by just only cooling 4 cans of soda cans maybe, we can use this one, and the method of cooling is actually by using a peltier. This is a bottom portion. This is the top portion. This portion here is the heatsink. A certain voltage is applied here, and so with the other one. Then by the concept of the so-called peltier concept, it will try to produce coldness or cold. The other components of the peltier is actually, this is a circuit board in which the voltage required for the two components, the lower one and the upper one, actually emanates from this. And the other components, the other electric components, are actually this one. So the way this small fridge produce coldness inside is actually by energizing the lower one and the other one, and we put the top one to the bottom one, and we introduce we put electricity. So this bottom portion here actually goes through inside the fridge, and the coldness that will be produced by this one is actually the one that will make the soda cans, if it were placed inside, will make them cold. So I will repeat it before we will go for tonight. The way and how a thermoelectric fridge produce coldness inside is by using a peltier. This is the peltier. This one is what they call this, could be seen inside the ref. This one is actually at the back, because if I will try to place this one, it is something like this. That's a complete heatsink. So underneath this one is actually the peltier, two plates. That they will produce coldness if they are energized. Actually, if I will try to bring out the cover, that's the cover. So the power inlet of this mini fridge is actually, we can use an AC voltage, or by using a DC voltage. By using the DC voltage, your battery might not last long enough to produce coldness, so it's better if you're at home. Just put the AC plug. I got my AC plug here. I got my AC plug here. Okay. So if you are using this one at home, it's better that you use the AC plug to minimize current consumption of this one. I tried to monitor the current consumption of this by using a watt-hour meter, and it's only around 0.64 amperes. 0.64 amperes. So I will repeat it before we will go for tonight. The way how this mini fridge actually produce coldness inside. Okay. That's the inside of the mini fridge, and this is actually the bottom portion of the peltier. That's the peltier. Okay, the two plates I have discussed a while ago. Okay, so when this is plugged in, this will become cold, and anything that will be placed inside will absorb that coldness, like a soda can maybe. Right? So I will repeat it. The one that will produce coldness inside is this peltier here. It is similar to the concept of evaporator for refrigerators. But for thermoelectric fridge, the cooling process is actually by using a peltier. This is the peltier. Okay? So for thermoelectric fridge, which is just very small, just for 2 small cans of what you call this, soda maybe, if you want this one to be cold. Okay? The cooling process is actually by using a peltier. Okay, that's it for tonight. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. So what I have discussed is that for thermoelectric fridge or refrigerator, the cooling process is done by using a peltier. This is the peltier. Okay. Good evening from Los Angeles.